Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So first we'll open our box here. As can you see here, we got the USB cable, the charger brick, and the USB dongle here. And inside of this paper box we got SIM jack tool, some paperwork, and the protective case. And unfortunately we have no here any adapters to the headphones as the headphones, so you should buy them separately if you want to use them together with your Oppo device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.